Can you see yourself in the 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee? With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.